Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be opening the August Boxycharm box. So this box is $25 a month and it's in American, so you have to factor in the exchange rate. But this is my favorite box, so let's see what's inside. Alright, let's get in it without hurting ourselves. Be preferable. So it comes with a card, and the theme this month is glamping. And this is what is inside. So let's have a peek. Okay, so first up we have a set of, Morphe brushes. I don't have anything from Morphe. So this is, I got this. And it's a 4-piece eye brush collection. And it includes an oval shadow brush, a Pro Firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and angle liner brush. Well, that's exciting. I always like getting brushes because you can always use them. See what they feel like. I guess this is the universe's way of telling me I have to order some Morphe palettes. Yes. Alright, so let's pick this one. So that is what the brush looks like. It's very fluffy. Yeah. So that's item number 1. Okay, next up we have got a Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer from Elizabeth Mott. Ooh. So gently apply the primer to the lid of your eye. Wait for it to dry. Use your favorite eyeshadows to showcase a long-lasting creaseless look. I've never had this brand either. Whoop. So that is what the packaging looks like. Nice little squeezy tube. And that is item number 2. So far, so good. Okay, item number 3. Oh, Too Faced product. Wow, what is this? A Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. This is exciting. So I have mine in the shade Cloud. So when you subscribe to this subscription box, you fill out a profile which tells them your skin tones. So let's hope that this is a nice match. So that is what the bottle looks like. And then it is, okay. So I thought it was a pump, but it is just a large doe foot. It smells good too. So that is the color. Let's try a little bit on my dark circles. I'm very excited. I like this box a lot so far. Like I said, this is my favorite box that I get. And actually I only get 2 boxes now because I canceled Ipsy Glam Bag and I canceled Look Fantastic. I liked the Look Fantastic, but with the dollar being what it is, it just wasn't worth it right now. So maybe I'll revisit it in the future. Yeah. I mean, obviously I didn't put that on as I normally would, but I'm very excited to try that. I love a good concealer. Okay, next item is, holy moly, we're getting a lot of good stuff in this box. So this is a Trastique, a matte for every mood, mini matte lip crayon set. So the colors are Nantucket Nude, Florence Fig, oh my god, Barcelona Bright Berry, Chili Red, Belize Bordeaux, and Tuscan Wine. I love Trastique products. I like the little magnetic caps that you get on all of the products so that they don't open up in your purse. So there's all the colors. Should we swatch all of them? Alright, so this is what this comes looking like. Alright, so Nantucket Nude. And then Florence Fig. These are really nice and creamy feeling. Barcelona Bright Berry. And 6, that's a lot. Chile red. Oh, that's pretty. Belize Bordeaux. This is probably gonna be my favorite one. Oh yeah. And then Tuscan wine. Oh, pretty. All right, so those are all of the colors swatched on my hand. I really like the berry colors the most, so like these two end ones I'll probably get a lot of use out of, and then this second one. Very excited. Oh, I'm very excited. I love when you get a good box. It's been a couple months since I've got something that wowed me. I'm wowed so far. We still have one item left, I believe. And feels like our last item. Yes. Oh, we've got an eyeshadow palette, and if you have been watching any of my videos, you know that eyeshadow palettes are my favorite thing to get in a subscription box. So this is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love eyeshadows. I collect them. I haven't been collecting them for long, maybe a little over a year, but I've got a pretty good collection going. So that is what the packaging looks like. Oh, wow. And then here are our colors. So we've got some mattes and some shimmers, and it looks like a pressed glitter here in the middle. So on the top it's beige, clay, rose gold, chocolate brown, and bronze. And on the bottom, wild orchid, blue violet, aqua, blue sky, and copper. Let's swatch all of these. Okay, I've swatched them on my hand. They didn't swatch the greatest, but someone recommended that for the ones that are a little powdery, that maybe I just use a wet brush to apply them. We'll give that a try. The shimmers are really pretty, and these purples are really, really pretty. So hopefully I can get some better color on my eyelids. Yeah, still very excited for this. Okay, let's get some pricing. So, I already don't have one of the items. Oh, why does this keep happening with them? So I didn't get the QMS Meta Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, which was $105. So that's disappointing. So I'll have to reach out to Boxycharm and see if they can send me that. The Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette is $36. Okay, I also didn't get the Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam, so I wonder if they sent me the wrong card. That was supposed to be $24. The Morphe brush set, $12. Yeah, they definitely gave me the wrong card. So that's not really helpful. So out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things on this card, I only got the brush set and the eyeshadow palette. So let me see if I can find some pricing online for the other items and see what my actual total is. Okay, I'm back. That was a lot of work. So I think that they just gave me the wrong card. So let's do the prices of things I actually have. So the Too Faced concealer, Born This Way concealer, $29. The Violet Voss palette, $32. The Trace-Stick matte lipsticks, $58. The Morphe brushes, $12, and the Elizabeth Mott primer, $20. So for $25 I spent on the box, the value is $151, which is excellent, I think. I think you're supposed to get $100 or over, so this well surpasses that in value. I really, really like this box. I think this might be my favorite box I've got in a long time, if not ever. I mean, like, we've got some really good brands like Too Faced and Violet Voss and Trace-Stick and Elizabeth Mott and Violet Voss and Morphe. I said Violet Voss 2 times. So let's pick our favorites. Eyeshadow palette for sure is my favorite. And then the Trace-Stick matte lip set. Then the concealer. And then the Morphe brushes. And then the eyeshadow primer. So yeah, I'm really excited for this box. So next month, September, will be my Boxy Luxe, which I think I pay, so you pay your $25 standard box fee and then another $24.99. And then you're supposed to get, I think, $300 worth of products. Don't quote me on that. Oh, I really needed to film this thing because it looks like I'm a crazy person. But it's very bright under there. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, and you can subscribe here. And then there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. I hope you have a great day and thank you for watching. Bye.